We study the important MCQ related to PPSC, FPSC and TSC. Before we proceed, kindly subscribe my channel. Unit number 1, Basic of Statics and Statistical Data. The specific statistical method that can be used to summarize or to describe a collection of data is called descriptive statistics. The need for inferential statistics method derives from the need for sampling. A population in statistical term is the totality of things under consideration. It is the collection of all value of the dash that is under study. इसका आंसर है वेरिएबल. नॉन सैम्पलिंग एरर आर इंट्रोड्यूस ड्यू टू टेक्निकली फॉल्टी ऑब्जर्वेशन और ड्यूरिंग द डैश ऑफ डाटा प्रोसेसिंग. यानी जब हम प्रोसेस कर रहे होते हैं तब एरर आ जाता है. Sampling is simply a process of learning about the dash on the base of a sample drawn from it. यहाँ इसका आंसर है population. Then a numerical fact are usually subjected to statistical analysis with the view to helping a decision maker make a wise decision in the face of uncertainty. In statistics, dash classification include data according to the time period in which the item under consideration occur. इसका है क्रोनोलॉजिकल, यानी ये टाइम से रिलेटेड जब हम डाटा करते हैं तब हम कौन सा ग्राफ बनाते हैं, क्रोनोलॉजिकल. डाटा इज सिंपली द न्यूमेरिकल रिजल्ट ऑफ एनी स्पेसिफिक मेजरमेंट. The dash process would be required to ensure that the data is complete and as required. The editing process. The sample is a portion of the dash population that is classified for study and analysis. Here total population. The method of sampling in which the choice of sample item depend exclusively on the judgment of the investigator is termed as judgment sampling. Both the sampling as well as the non-sampling error must be reduced to a minimum in order to get the representative a sample of the dash as possible. तो इसका आंसर है population. The larger the size of population, the dash should be the sample size. Larger, अगर larger population होगी तो larger sample size होगा. When the data is to be processed by computer, then it must be coded and converted into computer language. A variable is any characteristic which can assume dash values, different values. The basic objective of a sample is to draw inference about the population from which such sample is drawn. इसका आंसर है inference. In dash type of classification, the data is grouped together according to some distinct characteristic or attributes such as religion, sex, age, national origin and so on. तो इसका आंसर है qualitative. A dash variable is a variable whose value can theoretically take on an infinite number of values within a given range of value. तो continuous variable है. A perfect random number table would be one in which every digit has been entered randomly. The dash random variable yield categorical response so that the response fit into one category or another. Qualitative. For a sample to be truly representative of the population, it must be random. A dash is a phenomena of interest in which the observed outcome of an activity are entirely by chance or absolutely unpredictable and may differ from response to response or random variable. For definition of randomness, each dash has the same chance of being considered. Possible entry. Before any procedure for dash are stable, the purpose and the scope of study must be clearly specified. Data collection. Adequacy of data is to be judged in the light of requirement of the survey and the geographical area covered by the dash data. इसमें available data. If the sample is truly representative of the population, then the characteristic of the sample can be considered to be same as those of the dash population entire population. Statistical inference deal with method of inferring or drawing about the characteristic of the population based upon the result of the sample taken from the same population. इसका आंसर है कंक्लूजन। इफ द सैम्पल साइज इज टू स्मॉल इट मे नॉट डैश रिप्रेजेंट द पोर्शन और द यूनिवर्स एट इट इज नोन द लीडिंग इनकरेक्ट inference is appropriate. Editing would also help eliminate inconsistencies or obvious error due to treatment arithmetical. When an investigator use the draft which has been collected by others, the data is called secondary data. In the case of questionnaire method of gathering data, it should be made certain that all the questions have been answered. Dash provide various type of statistical information of either qualitative or quantitative nature. इसका आंसर है sampling. In static data classification group the data according to लोकेशनल डिफरेंस अमंग द आइटम जियोग्राफिकली। जब ज़मीन के बारे में जो डाटा कलेक्ट करते हैं उसे जियोग्राफिकल में स्टडी करते हैं। द डिग्री ऑफ रैंडमनेस ऑफ सिलेक्शन वुड डिपेंड अपॉन द प्रोसेस ऑफ सिलेक्टिंग द आइटम फ्रॉम द सैम्पल। द डैश सैम्पल इज अबाउट obtained by selecting convenient population unit convenience. A dash sample is formed by selecting one unit at random and then selecting additional unit at evenly spaced interval until the sample has been formed. इसका आंसर है systematic. The sampling error arise due to drawing faulty inference about the dash based upon the result of sample population. A summary measure that describe any given characteristic of the population is known as parameter. The dash mean separating items according to similar characteristics and group them into various classes is called classification. Dash is one which is collected by investigator himself for the purpose of a specific inquiry or study a primary data. Thank you so much.